Hello everybody, welcome back to Ohio Tickets with Robert. We have a $5 Cash Explosion 25X, went up to 150,000. We have ticket number 18. The odds, 1 out of 3.77. Up here is a bonus section. We can get 5 times, 10 times, 25 times, or we could reveal an entry to be on the TV show. Possibility. We would have to have our name drawn, but it gives us an opportunity to have our card entered into it. But anyhow, I've had well over 100 entries and never been picked yet. So we got a 3, 11, 23, and 19. All right, here we go. 28. Oops, sorry about that. 22, 1 off the 23. 39, 7, 8. Oh, if we get a star symbol, that is an automatic win. There's 37. 11. All right, we have a win. All right, so we know it's either going to be a 5 times, a 10 times, a 25 times, or it could just be a 1 times. Even though they don't have the 1 times up there, but we do have a win, so we know we're not getting the entry. 35, 21, 24, 1 off the 23. Hey, we got number 3. That's another win. 29, nope. 36, 12, 1 off the 11, and what do we have? 20, 1 off the 19. All right, let's see what's the bonus going to be, folks. And just as I expected, the 1 times. All right, let's see what our first one is. It's number 11. What do we have under here? We have, hey, $10. Okay. Under number 3, what do we have? Another 10 for a $20 winner. That's a nice little profit on a $5 ticket, $20. Would have been even cooler if that multiplier would have been higher, but hey, what the heck. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.